Good morning, dear children. We all were discussing chapter soil erosion and conservation. Children, in this chapter we all had learned about importance of soil erosion and agents of soil erosion. Children, today we will know about soil conservation. Children, you all must be knowing that soil is the main base of life. It is very important to grow plants and it is home for many animals. We get many things from the plants, which is impossible in absence of soil. Therefore, it is very important to protect the soil. So, the protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. Children, today in this class, we will know the method of soil conservation. So let us start. Children, first method of soil conservation is afforestation. Afforestation means planting more trees. As you all know, plants hold soil very tightly. So if you plant trees or plants on the field, that help to reduce the soil from erosion. Children, as you cannot control the speed of wind and water, so this method is very helpful to conserve the soil. Children, next method of soil protection is soil cover. Farmers harvest mature crops so the field become empty. To avoid this, they cover the field with grass or creepers. Children, roots of these plants hold soil tightly and protect it from erosion. Dry crops residue is also left in the field for the same reason. Children, next is shelter belts. You all must have seen tall trees or hedges grown on the sides of the field. Children, these line of tall trees and shrubs are planted to protect the field. These trees and hedges reduce the intensity of blowing winds, thus protect soil from erosion. Children, they act as a windbreaker. Children, next method of soil conservation is terrace farming, and it is very common in hills. Children, as you all know, soil erosion is very high in hills. To avoid this, terrace farming is done. Terraces are built on the slopes of mountains to create flat lands to grow crops. Children, you might have observed this type of farming when you would have gone in hills with your parents. This terrace slow down the speed of running water down the mountain and thus help in soil protection. Next method of soil conservation is building embankments. Children, embankments are the boundary around the river. During rainy season, river overflow and causes lot of destruction. To avoid this situation, boundary of soil or rocks built by the side of the river. This prevent flowing of water in the field, thus protect the soil for being eroded. Children, hope you all have understood the method of soil conservation. Read this chapter, learn difficult words, spellings, and learn the meaning of the terms. Thank you and have a nice day.